I break the camera.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. We're out here working on the tractor, and it's not raining this morning. Not yet, anyway. Anyway, let's get started.
And repack the cylinders. I thought a lot more would come out of there. Not bad.
No, it ain't get too bad.
They're really jammed in there.
Yeah, it is.
That's kind of goofy.
See, this one right here is the wrong way, and you can't even get it off in there. So, this one is too. That's so stupid. The way they did it, you know, see, they should have been so you can get them off.
Yeah,
And you
it
can't.
makes sense.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll cheat a little bit.
Here you see that Bob is putting some telephone wire onto each hose, and the fitting that it came from or cylinder, and that is to mark for the new hoses where they go back on quickly. You see us running back and forth here trying to get everything marked, and I have sped that up 3 times the normal speed, so he works fast though. Bob's removing the top cylinder on the bucket lift here. Got a myriad of hoses all over the place like a big old stiff spider. And then he'll move on to the next, the main lift cylinder for the arm. And this one's going to have to be blocked up so the bucket doesn't drop down and help take the pressure off of the cylinder while he releases the bolts on the end, and then gets the hoses, everything pulled off, and then we'll take that one off and throw it in the back of his truck with the other ones.
Do you have enough to block up here, you think?
I've got those sinker blocks.
That'll work.
We can go back.
Yeah, let's put those in there, we'll put a piece of plywood, a piece of wood on top. That will work perfect.
I sped it up again here 3 times while Bob stacks up the blocks, get ready to lift that front bucket up some. Get some wood shoved under there. You'll have to get a Swede out on a bar so that he can lift that, get some pressure under there. Anyway, we're going to get it lifted up here, be ready to pull that cylinder off.
on my tailgate. We'll leave these hoses all hooked up so I can hook them all back together and then I can measure what we need to do.
Cylinder for the 3-point.
They're getting ready to pull that cylinder there that controls the 3-point hitch. It leaks pretty bad on the top, and it's got some brass fittings on there that shouldn't be there. Kind of hokey setup. Anyway, we're going to get that pulled off here. Well, the reason I was pointing my finger around there seems to be some sort of a spring there. I guess that's for part of that 3-point hitch, but there's also a part that's got a chip out of the end of the steel there, and there's a part underneath that looks like it's broken, but not really sure what it does. So anyway, that's what I was looking at there.
That fitting doesn't look very sanitary anyway.
No, we're gonna replace this whole thing. This is not the right way to do it. And this is hose junk. See that?
Oh, geez, I'll say.
Yeah. So we need to replace
Ready to go.
Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll get rid of it all, and we'll make a nice, sanitary, clean setup. Throw that back in my truck, please. Okay.
Here, just helping Bob pull off the last lines here. Got one more after this, and I'll have to close this video out with that. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Tell your friends.
Throw that on that one hose.
Leave a comment if you would.
Put it on that one cylinder.
Tell us what we're doing right. Tell us what we're doing wrong. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.
That ain't really good. Got it hidden in there.